Jay Blades has landed a new role with Sir David Jason, who is set to return to screens with a new BBC series. The actor and the repair shop expert have teamed up to present BBC One series, Touring Toolshed. The duo have filmed at various locations across the UK where they have invited guests to show off the ventures they are pursuing as a hobby. In pictures obtained by The Sun, Jay, and Sir David, who was holding a hammer, were all smiles as they posed in front of their shed named, David and Jay's Toolshed. An insider told the publication, Jay can't believe he's making a show with his real-life hero. Sir David shared, "It's great to be back on the nation's TV screens doing something totally different. I've played a lot of roles in my time, but, to be myself, show off my creative passion, and help the wonderful people we meet along the way resolve their mechanical masterpiece issues is very rewarding. I've really enjoyed being on the road with Jay, where we have built up a great friendship and had a lot of fun, which I hope the viewers will enjoy watching when it airs." Touring Toolshed is made by Jay's production company and will see the public exhibit homemade inventions, which are in the process of being completed. The series, which consists of 15 episodes, is due to hit screens next year. Don't miss The Repair Shop's Jay Blades freaked out by creepy doll video. The Repair Shop's Susie Fletcher on leaving abusive marriage without support. Latest, The Repair Shop's Julie Tatchell was quite scared to meet co-star Amanda. Reaction: This isn't the first time that Jay and Sir David have worked together because, in December 2021, the Only Fools and Horses star made a surprise cameo appearance on the Christmas special of Strictly Come Dancing. Dressed as Del Boy, Sir David passed on a special message to Jay, who was performing to the Only Horses theme tune. Sir David has made rare TV appearances in recent years, but he hasn't been featured properly on screen since Jack Frost in 2008. He is more famously known for his role as Del Boy in Only Fools and Horses. Jay, on the other hand, has starred in numerous presenting projects as well as filming for The Repair Shop. The expert has featured in Jay's Yorkshire Workshop, Jay Blades Home Fix, and Jay Blades, No Place Like Home. He currently has his own Channel 5 show which explores the history of East London. The latest episode of Jay Blades' East End Through Time saw the presenter delving into the history of East End in the 19th century.